Alright Chicos, we're just out for a little walk here this morning. I thought I'd take you guys along with me. Welcome, welcome. You're with two Gringos on the Gulf. Today you're just with Daryl though. Little Cece and Jennifer are at home. Cece's sleeping and Jennifer's working. Oh, let's go explore the city, guys. So this is the parkade for the Guelaguetza Theater here. Little pedway crossing the highway here. There's stairs right here. Okay, let's go, let's go. Vámonos, vámonos. All right, my friend, we're about to head on to Uncharted Territories. We're gonna go down this way. I've never walked down here before along the highway, and then we'll go back down into the city here and loop back around and head home. So that's the route. Nice day today. Light breeze. Well, I've been meaning to get out and explore the city a little bit here. My dear friend Larry and Druba have gone back to the USA to do some mountain biking in Colorado. So no more Tuesday rides until he gets back. I still have my Sunday rides, but absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so I've been meaning to get out and just go for a walk. Take a break from the bike and do a little walking instead. Explore the city a little bit here. And I thought you guys might as well come along with me, my friend. Let's go check it out. Now, I've never walked down here before. This is my first time. It's 11 a.m. in the morning. 28 degrees right now, 27 Celsius. I'll put that in Fahrenheit for you right up there, my Americano friend. Beautiful view of the city from up here though. Absolutely beautiful. Well, let's look for a path that's a little more traveled. Aw, she's falling apart, the poor lady. She needs some restoration. All right, my friend, that last place, I tried to go down. There was a bunch of dogs down there, and they were pretty mean. So there's like 4 or 5 of them. So I opted not to go that way. So we'll go this way instead. Hopefully there's no dogs down here. The dogs don't normally bother me, but when they're in a pack like that and they're being aggressive, then yeah, I just got the heck out of there. This way's only got 1 dog, and he looks pretty chill. So, these stairs are just like 90 degrees here. Don't fall because, man. Okay, vámonos, vámonos. All right, my friend, we'll start making our way back now. Thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Okay, do we stay up or go down? Let's stay up for a little bit. I just love how the homes are built on the hill like this, and they're all so colorful. You know, they're yellow, orange, red, pinkish. Nice view from up here. We'll go down now. She's getting hot, 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 hot. All right, my friend, we're back into civilization here, kinda. Lots of little alleyways along here going up to the hill. So that's where we came from, is up there on top of the hill. I'll make our way along this street here. Supposed to be a park up ahead here. Let's go check it out, my friend. Hold on, hold on. Vámonos, vámonos. We're still on the edge of the hill. So you got, as you can see down there, it does go down. I'll drop my location right above here for you. So right here you got Clinica, the hospital, Santa Maria. Clinica Hospital Santa Maria. All right, this was the little park that was showing here. It's actually the church. Nice area back over here. I've never been back here before. We're a long ways away from the downtown area and the tourist area. Very, very cool. Nice. My friend, I just love these old churches. Oh, we'll carry on, carry on. Vámonos, vámonos. All right, my friend, let's make our way back. I gotta go to the baño. And I didn't bring no money with me. So I can't even go get anything to drink or nothing. So that's okay. We had a good walk. I hope you enjoyed it. Truly appreciate you coming along with me. Off the beaten path here in Oaxaca, Mexico. Well, let's go see what we can see on our way home, my friend. Vámonos, vámonos. I just love these old buildings like this, like kind of got the new incorporated with the old here. You see lots of that where it's old buildings all boarded up. Okay. Oh, that breeze feels nice. So the main highway is just off to the left of me here, guys. These little stairs. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful artwork. Wow. Amazing. All right, my friend, this looks like as good a place as any to head on back up at the beautiful cobblestone street here. Now, it shows on the map that there's a little trail up here. Ooh, is that ever colorful, eh? Wow. Beautiful. All right. Well, it's like you got two options. Oh, that's a pretty cool art design there on the corner of the building like that. Wicked. Very, very cool. Huh. All right, my friend, this is a pretty steep incline here. It's hard to tell in the video, but well, all these lines just add to the flavor. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, we're still climbing up though. Let's go. Oh, a good walk today, my friend. Take the zigzag or the stairs? Let's do the stairs. Very good. Okay. Well, we're back up at the Guelaguetza Theater here. Just about. Oh. Well, if I didn't have to go to the bathroom before, I really gotta go now. Wait. Okay. Oh, thanks again for joining me today, my friend. Really appreciate it. Well, my friend, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this little walking tour. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Adios. Hasta luego. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's enjoy the beautiful view for a minute and head home to the baño. Hasta luego.